Hey guys, so I came back here today to show you how I twist my hair with pipe cleaners using no heat, no boiling water, none of that stuff. Okay, what you're going to need is your hair already twisted, like so. Whichever twisting method you decide to do. I just wanted to do a protective style for my head. And you're going to have a pipe cleaner like this. And you get this from anywhere, you know, your craft store, Michael's, Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, whichever, you know, it's not really important. Okay, so you're going to take your pipe cleaner, going to fold it in half, and you're going to twist it. Now you're going to leave an opening because when we take the your curls out, your pipe cleaners out, you're going to need this to kind of not pull, but to have a grip on. So you're going to twist them like such. Alright, and it should look like this. Now I take two pieces of hair and I put them on where the opening is, and I twist around the root like so. So now I'm going to twist all the way up. Now, if you get towards the end of your twist and you find that you're running out of room, you just simply pull it down, push, pull, whichever way, and then you twist and you fold. So it's basically like you're doing a flexi ride. When you do flexi rides, how you just twist and you fold. That's basically the pipe cleaner method, and it gives you some curls without having to use any water or anything like that. But I'll show you one more time so that you can get the technique. So I'm taking my pipe cleaner like so, folding it, and I'm going to take two pieces, and I'm going to use my longer pieces just so you can see that you can do it on long extensions as well. I'm going to fold it like so. I'm going to twist it. And then pull it down. Like I said, if you don't have enough room, you just pull it down. And you keep on pulling until you get it all the way up there. And once you felt and got to the root, fold it, and there you go. Now I'm going to do this over my whole head, and then I'm going to come back to you guys so you can see it finished. And yeah, I'll see you then. Okay, so Here are the curls taken out with my pipe cleaners, using the pipe cleaner method. So you can see it's curled all the way around. Some of these didn't curl how I wanted them to, but it's okay. So it's alright. But as you can see, you can curl them without using any heat, and they do fall, but like any curl, you know, it happens. But alright, I'm gonna get ready for work, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.